Sir, can you help me? It's cold and I'm nowhere to sleep. Is there somewhere you can tell me? He walks on, doesn't look back. He pretends he can't hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Think about it. She calls out to the man on the street.
Ito lang trabaho namin dito guys, linis ng swimming pool. Dito water features to, mababaw lang na design lang to ng building. Kailangan pa rin namin linisin dahil daming dumi, yung mga buhangin. Kita natin yung mga buhangin dahil expose ito sa labas. Ito yung outdoor. Thank you for watching guys.